Have you ever thought about the impact that plastic bottles make on the environment? Did you know that they rank third and fourth, along with plastic bottle caps, in the world's most littered and picked up item found on oceans and ocean beaches? It's a huge fact to consider the amount of waste that humans produce, and it's something that we really need to turn around. Did you know that it takes 450 years for a plastic bottle to decompose? And even then, the risks that it has on the environment are unknown. Over that course of time, plastic bottles leak dangerous chemicals and toxins into the environment. And even when left in your car too long, if you leave it sitting in the sun, they can leak dangerous chemicals into your beverages. That's not something that I'd really want to use, really, if you ask me. Plastic a few years ago was blown up to be this phenomenal product that somebody could just use one time, throw out, not didn't have to worry about it. And, hey, everybody recycles, right? So what's to worry about if you throw it out? See, that's not really the case. Most people don't even consider recycling or live in areas where recycling isn't even an option for them. I didn't know that until I did some research recently. Glass, on the other hand, can be recycled an infinite amount of times, broken down, melted down, reused endlessly and endlessly, and will never leak any chemicals into your drinks. The choice to me, because I live in an area where I have access to clean drinking water at all times, is easy. Bring your own bottle, get a glass or other, cheap item that is reusable that you can use over and over again without wasting, and you will hugely lessen your impact on the environment that way. Spread the word to your friends, instead of going to the beach and buying 10 cases of water. Take a couple things of reusable bottles. You don't have to worry about garbage, you don't have to leave it behind, and you certainly don't have to worry about the wildlife that it might affect after. A lot of people think, hey, 450 years, I'm not going to be around to see the consequences. But I'll tell you what, our grandchildren and our grandchildren's children will be. That is something that you want to consider. The world that we live in, we can already see is decaying at a fast pace. So what are you going to do? Are you going to help it decay at an even faster pace? Or are you going to make a change and do your part and what you can to save this beautiful earth for everybody in these generations to come? The choice is up to you, but if you ask me, don't be drastic. Plastic is not the answer.